Now, Sonu Sood, the actor, model and producer, joins us next. He is, most importantly, played the important role of his life during this crisis by donating to various funds, giving his hotel in Juhu for health workers to stay close to the hospital, organizing buses so that migrant labor from Mumbai can return to their home, various states, other parts of the country. Thanks very much for being with us, Sonu. Now, you've done so much for migrants, arranging buses, even offering your hotels. What is it that moved you to make this contribution, to get in there and help?
You know, of course, the whole lockdown has been an eye-opener for everyone. And I remember, I had seen few clips, few videos which were on the social media where a lot of people were not letting the doctors, the nurses get into their societies. They were fighting for their safety. But I totally believe that doctors are, and especially all these paramedical staff, are the only ones who are standing like a wall between this virus and a common man. So if you don't respect them, if you don't give them enough what they want, you can't save people from, dying. So I have a hotel in Juhu where, you have lots of hospitals around and a lot of people travel to different parts of Mumbai, and a lot of time they lose because of their travel and they don't get enough time to rest. So I just thought that why not give the hotel to these paramedical staff where they can come, stay, rest, eat, and again report back, to their duties, and they can be on their toes for more number of hours.
But if there was one thing you could ask the government to do for migrants and their children, what would that be?
If I would like to say one thing which I would request the government to do is that let these people reach their homes with less of complications. They have to fill the forms, they have to get the permissions from the ward, from police station, then the collector from the other state has to grant permission if they can come to their homes or not. So the whole process is so tedious for even people like us. If we try to pull some strings and make them go to their homes, it's not possible. I struggled a lot to get permissions from Karnataka government when we had sent 10 buses. We're trying for Telangana. Telangana is not accepting people from Maharashtra. Then I'm trying for UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, Orissa, West Bengal. Most of the states, it's very, very difficult because they're not letting people from Maharashtra come to their states because they feel that this is an affected state and that will create chaos there also. This is, I would say, a sad state, but I wish we would have planned earlier for more of resources where, a healthcare system would have been better to save a lot of lives. But I think this is an eye-opener, and I would request all the governments, to come forward and help, people from their states so they can reach back to their loved ones.